Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Baby food stages. Shifting your baby feeding exclusively on milk to solids can mark a big milestone in his life. It makes sense to present solids to your baby in stages, so that he may get adequate time to familiarize himself with the new development. Let's take a look at these different baby food stages. Baby food stage 1 for 6 to 8 months old. During this stage, your baby will taste solids for the first time. Ideally, solid foods should be introduced to your baby when he begins to hold his head and neck steady and can sit up through some support. At the end of this period, you can reduce the amount of fluid you use to thin the pureed foods, as your baby may have become comfortable with more texture. Do wait for about 3 days before introducing another new food to ensure there is no allergic reaction or digestive troubles. Some of the foods that you may introduce can be cereals like barley and oats, fruits like pears, avocado, mango, banana, apples, vegetables like sweet potato, green beans, peas, carrots, potatoes. Baby food stage 2 for 8 to 10 months old. Baby food at this leg can be thicker in consistency and may contain very small food bits. Babies are not likely to have grown many teeth at this phase, so keeping the food strained may be a good idea. Foods that you may introduce can be a vegetable mix of corn, carrot, pea, other vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, asparagus, eggplant, iron-fortified cereals, grains like quinoa, buckwheat, flax, bite-sized cut raw fruits like grapes, kiwi, papaya, figs, blueberries, cranberries, meats like fish, beef, chicken, turkey, egg yolk, tofu, cottage cheese, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, whole milk yogurt. Baby food stage 3 for 10 to 12 months old. Babies of 10 to 12 months can usually manage food with small pieces and easy to chew finger food items quite easily. He may be eating more, up to a quarter cup each of vegetables, fruits, and cereals for a single meal. Some of the options for foods at this stage can be all kinds of fruits including citrus and berry, different types of cereals and grains, whole eggs, whole milk, soft cheeses, all varieties of vegetables, including green leafy vegetables. You can always refer to a nutritionist to chalk out a proper diet for your baby age-wise, in case of any lingering concerns. Meanwhile, it can be fun to watch your baby making progress with his eating habits and skills.